So there you have it, there's the turf. It's about a week later now. So it's had a week of watering and growing. Let's have a lift one of the corners and see what it's looking like. So I lift up the little edge here. Cool, it's down, proper down now. As you can see, the roots are coming through now and they're really getting into the medium underneath. So that's taking really nice. So yeah, a bit longer than it can have its first cut, and that'll look really nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.